Guys, I know it's been a minute since I produced a video, but today I decided to take something small that might steal a lot of your time and to target it really quickly so that you can get back to being awesome. Okay, so there's this old, phrase that says it's the little foxes that spoil the vine. And really what I want to get at today is this idea that it's those little things that we do over and over and over again, that if we could find a more efficient way, we could be more awesome, save some time, and really be less stressed. And one of those is email. Email is like the incredible energy suck of our world, right? And so one thing I'm going to show you today in Gmail is how to use templates to save yourself a ton of time. Whether you're emailing parents or just getting back to coworkers or responding to something, if there's a way that you could templatize or you find yourself typing the same thing over and over and over, what we're going to do is we're going to save that as a template, call it up, make a couple quick changes, and then ship it out and be back on our merry way doing the things that actually matter to us. So let's go ahead and jump into the computer and I will show you how to get that done. Okay, so what you see on my screen right now is something called Hemingway Editor. I'm on a Mac and I love this program for helping me to figure out if my writing is good or not, and it has a bunch of really great tools in there. You can check it out on your own if you're in the Mac world. Well, I find myself having to type this email to all the teachers that I work with in my new role as a STEM coach. I'm just going to copy that. So to hop back over to Gmail, in the upper right hand corner you have your little icon with the gear. So I'm going to go ahead and click that. And when I do, what we want is all settings. So once we get to all settings, you're going to move all the way over here to advanced and then make sure templates is enabled or turned on. Okay, so I opened a new email, I pasted in that stuff from Hemingway Editor, I made a couple of edits, and I'm ready to go to either send this out right now, but before I do, I want to make it a template so I can just reuse it again in the future. If you go down to where your trash can is and you click on the three little dots, you'll see templates. Now I have a template right there, but this time I want to save this draft as a template, and then I'm going to scroll over and just say save as new template. Now this one, it already has it in there regarding new STEM project. Awesome. Every time somebody wants to do a STEM project with me in their classroom, I can just pull this up, fill in their name, change a couple of things, and I'm ready to go. Okay guys, so I hope that was super helpful. I hope it saves you a buttload of time and helps you be awesome on your own. But until next time, I'm Brian with Ball Guy Sci. Share this with somebody you think needs to save some time and be more awesome, and I'll catch you next time.